Yeah, so this is the rice soaking for the Thenga Payasam. This is 2 tablespoons, or you can say from this I use 2 tablespoons of this spoon, and this is same amount of badam. This is optional. These almonds are optional. 2 tablespoons of almonds, and this is one half of a coconut. So you need to grate this and grind all this together. So we'll meet after grinding. So this is 1 cup of grated jaggery. Say we took 1 cup of grated coconut. I showed you it was half of a coconut. So this is 1 cup of grated jaggery. So add this to a pan. Yeah. So this to 1 cup of grated jaggery into a pan, and then add this water. Just to cover it, we need to make a solution, a syrup, and not a thick or a thin, just allow it to come together, and that's it. You have your jaggery syrup ready. So this is the ground paste of coconut, the soaked rice, and the optional badam. Remember, I added little badam. So into this pan, this is another pan, into this pan will go the ground paste, and don't waste this. Add some water to this and mix it with the paste. So into this paste will go water. You need to add lot of water, otherwise your payasam, your Thenga Payasam will become very thick. So this is actually, I'm inspired greatly by Yogambal Sundar, who recently made this Thenga Payasam beautifully. So I just added my own twist to it, otherwise she's my guru. So keep mixing this. Let this cook well so that it doesn't get caught at the bottom of the pan. Yes. Meanwhile, here is the jaggery syrup. So just see that it is just melted into the water that I added. Enough water to cover the grated jaggery. So I have a jaggery syrup or a jaggery solution. Okay, so now let's wait for the coconut paste or the coconut mix to cook well, and then we can mix both the jaggery and the rice coconut paste. So meanwhile, let's fry these cashew nuts and chopped coconut. These are 7 cashew nuts halved, and these are coconut pieces. So into the hot ghee. Yes, and then fry them to a golden color. Yes, don't allow them to burn, just you need a right color for the right flavor. And I forgot to tell you that I already added elaichi into the rice and almond paste. Even while grinding, I added the elaichi pieces, the pods. So this is it. I switched off the gas. Yeah. So see, the rice and the coconut mix has cooked very well with all the water added. It's looking nice, and my kitchen is full of flavors. I wish I could share with you. So into this will go the jaggery syrup. So in goes the, yes, let it all come together. This is the Thenga Payasam, which has been cooking together for 5 minutes. Yeah, see. So into this will go the cashew nuts and the coconut pieces that have been roasted. Wow. Into this goes the pan of fried cashew nuts and coconut. Yummy! See, this should be the consistency, otherwise it will become very thick once it comes to room temperature, because it has got rice, coconut, and I've added almonds too.